Hi there guys, how are you? Now this is the second part of our discussion on this novel Beloved by Toni Morrison. ठीक है, in the earlier part we discussed synopsis and the short summary, and in this part we'll discuss key themes and issues in this novel. ठीक है, now keep in mind that if you want to understand the context of this novel, first part आप जरूर देखना. Now this is a brief about me, you can read here. And second, if you are preparing for MA English entrance, then we are starting a new batch. For more inquiries or information, just contact us on this number 7678160296. And if you get time, definitely visit our website literaturemantra.com. You'll get comprehensive coverage of the syllabus at very affordable rates. Now coming back to the video. So what are the key themes in this novel? Now as I indicated in the earlier video, trauma is a major theme. ठीक है, trauma and memory of trauma. ठीक है, so a central theme in Beloved is the enduring trauma of slavery. ठीक है, मतलब गुलामी, explored through the concept of rememory. Now this word is very important. ठीक है, where past horrors persist as vivid, almost tangible presences. Seeth's memories of Sweet Home's brutality and her daughter's death haunt her, with Beloved embodying this unresolved trauma. ठीक है, the non-linear narrative driven by fragmented memories mirrors the characters' struggle to process their past, emphasizing emotional truth over chronological order. Now आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me ask you a simple multiple choice question. ठीक है, of course I won't be analyzing multiple choice questions, but since trauma is a very important theme, that is why in the exam, if you are aiming for MA entrance or UGC NET, it is very easy to get a question on trauma. ठीक है, trauma theory. So question is, which of these best describes the language? ठीक है, language used by writers to describe trauma in literature. यहाँ पे 4 options हैं. You have to give the correct answer. A. Direct factual objective language. B. Fragmented symbolic evocative language. C. Simple straightforward easily digestible language. D. Primarily expository language focused on explanation. ठीक है, so if you know the answer to this question, definitely write it down in the comments below. Okay, so let's proceed with the key themes. So this theme of trauma, okay, resonates universally, illustrating how trauma shapes identity and relationships. And a key quote in this novel is, "Anything dead coming back to life hurts." Spoken by Emmy Denver, captures the painful necessity of confronting the past to heal. ठीक है, मतलब healing of past wounds or traumatic wounds. और इस novel में अगर आपने story पढ़ी है, then you should be able to tell who comes back to life. At least temporarily, it seems that somebody has come back to life. It is the youngest daughter of Seeth, right? Seeth starts to imagine that her youngest daughter, who is dead, has actually reincarnated, and this is one of the reasons why Seeth is very hurt. मतलब उनको बहुत दुख होता है. So what are the other key themes in this? Motherhood and sacrifice. ठीक है, the novel deeply examines motherhood under slavery's brutal conditions, with Seeth's killing of her daughter as an act of desperate love to protect her from enslavement horrors. ठीक है, now this moral dilemma highlights the unimaginable choices forced upon enslaved mothers, showcasing their resilience and suffering. ठीक है, now गुलामी से बचने के लिए अपने छोटी बेटी को मार देना, it seems so traumatic, so painful for a mother. ठीक है, Seeth's fierce devotion to her children, contrasted with her guilt, drives the narrative, while Denver's growth reflects a new generation's hope. The theme underscores the strength of maternal bonds in the face of systemic oppression. ठीक है, with Seeth's choke cherry tree scar symbolizing both her suffering and survival. ठीक है, so motherhood and sacrifice of the mother. This is also a key theme, key issue in this novel. उसके बाद देखो, what are the other key issues in this? Slavery's legacy. So Beloved, which is the novel, confronts the physical and psychological legacy of slavery, depicting its dehumanizing effects through Seeth's scarred body, a choke cherry tree of whip marks, and Paul D's suppressed emotions, locked in a metaphorical tobacco tin heart. ठीक है, now you can use these quotations in your answer writing. ठीक है, and also sometimes they also ask questions in the form of multiple choice questions. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ quote दे देंगे आपको किसी novel से, कुछ ऐसा unique सा quote, और ये पूछेंगे कि from which novel does this quote or does this statement or phrase come from. ठीक है, तो ये काफी unique सा phrase है, choke cherry tree of whip marks. ठीक है, so the novel critiques systemic racism. ठीक है, we all know that racism used to be there in the United States of America. Of course, racism has been there in perhaps many parts of the world, but in the United States of America, it was particularly practiced in a very brutal way. Of course, now racism has by law been criminalized in the United States, so you can't practice racism there, right? But the scars of racism, that is what this novel is about. The trauma of racism, that is what this novel is about. Okay? So showing how slavery's atrocities ripple across generations, shaping identity and community. Unlike individual struggles in their works, in other works, Morrison's focus is on collective trauma. ठीक है, मतलब collective trauma of the black Afro-American community. ठीक है, because after all, it was not just one black Afro-American woman who faced racism. It was the entire Afro-American community of United States who had to face this racism and trauma. So with characters grappling to reclaim their humanity, this issue connects to broader historical realities, illuminating enduring impact of racial violence on American society. ठीक है? Now what are the other key issues in this novel? Community and identity. So the novel explores the tension between isolation and community, with Denver's journey from reclusion to seeking communal support, marking a path towards healing. ठीक है, मतलब ये कि suppose if you live in seclusion or a very recluse kind of life, you'll never be able to talk to other people, and in the process you may not find any healing. But when we socialize, when we discuss our problems and hear the problems of others, we feel better. ठीक है, just human nature. So black community's intervention to expel Beloved highlights collective strength, contrasting with the family's initial isolation at 124. Now 124 is the address. ठीक है, identity is another key issue as characters struggle to define themselves beyond slavery's dehumanization. Beloved's ambiguous presence, part ghost, part human, symbolizes fractured selfhood of the formerly enslaved, raising questions about freedom and personhood. The novel's communal focus underscores the importance of solidarity in overcoming trauma. ठीक है, community and solidarity is important to overcome trauma. ठीक है, now along with knowing about the key themes and issues in this novel, little bit you should know about the other works of Toni Morrison. What are the characteristics of the other works of Toni Morrison, so that you can contextualize, so that you can understand that this novel is not alone. She has written, matlab the author Toni Morrison, she has written other works also. So let's try to find out the basic characteristics of her other works. ठीक है, so Toni Morrison's works such as The Bluest Eye, The Song of Solomon are characterized by lyrical, poetic prose rooted in African American oral traditions. ठीक है, blending realism with magic realism. So this is something that she does in other works also. She blends realism with magical realism, because this is what she has also done in this work, Beloved. ठीक है, remember? In the first video, I had pointed that out. So recurring themes include the impact of systemic racism, the search for identity, and the resilience of the black women. So these issues and themes you'll find across her novels, across her literary works. So often depicted as complex, multidimensional figures like Piccola Breedlove or Pilate Dead. These are characters in other novels. ठीक है? Her narratives center black experiences, exploring love, trauma, and community against historical and social backdrops. Settings often evoke African American cultural contexts from rural south to urban north, reflecting struggles against oppression. उसके बाद देखो characteristics of her other works, मतलब just continuing from the earlier slide. Morrison employs innovative techniques, including non-linear storytelling. Look on the screen, including non-linear storytelling. ठीक है, multiple perspectives भी होते हैं. Symbolic imagery as seen in Sula and jazz to convey emotional and cultural depth. Her works delve into psychological complexity with characters confronting guilt, desire, and societal marginalization. Morrison's social commentary critiques racism, sexism also. ठीक है, मतलब sexism क्या होता है? When there is a kind of favoritism of men or women based on their biology, then it is sexism. ठीक है, then classism, मतलब rich or poor. ठीक है, so often through marginalized voices, reshaping American literary canon. Her legacy cemented by the 1993 Nobel Prize. Now she is a Nobel Prize winning author. That is why Toni Morrison is extremely important. ठीक है, lies in her unflinching portrayal of black life, matlab black Afro-American life, blending beauty and pain and influencing generations of writers with her profound, culturally rich narratives. ठीक है, so with this I wind up, and if you get time, definitely visit literaturemandra.com. We have a very attractive offer for those who are looking for UGC NET English coaching. ठीक है,